Let's talk about some of the major highlights from defense sector. So the first one is Aero India 2025. Now this was held in Bangalore. The theme is important. It was a runway to billion opportunities. The next is the rollout of the light combat aircraft Tejas Mk2. Now this is the first prototype completion which was targeted for November 25. The official rollout of this indigenous fighter has been really important. Now the naval inductions are important. Under the destroyer series project 15B, you have INS Surat. Now this is the final ship of the Vishakhapatnam class, which was commissioned in January 2025. The next ones are the INS Nilgiri and INS Himgiri. Both of these are project 17A of the fighter class. So again, important naval inductions which have been done. Now again we have Akash NG, which is the next generation Akash. It is surface to air missile, now successfully completed trials by DRDO. Also military exercises have been important. One such very important one is the Desert Cyclone. This was a bilateral exercise between India and United Arab Emirates. This was done in December 2025. Also another important one that we must know is Tarang Shakti. Now Tarang Shakti, the second phase of India's multilateral air exercise. This is again very important. So those are some of the important topics that we have discussed for defense. Of course, we'll be covering the other segments, mainly the environment, education and so on in the next lectures. So stay tuned. Don't miss those. Highly important for your upcoming prelims. Thanks for joining.